Honey, I'm home! No, 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 no! Why couldn't they have taken the neighbors instead? I am nothing now. Well, this sucks.
Detective Maxwell, DPD, homicide detective and grieving widower. What can I do for you?
Maxwell, we got a case for you. Get back down to the precinct ASAP.
What kind of case we talking, boss?
It was a murder.
I'll be right there.
Miss Kate Winslet was found yesterday by her husband dead in her house's foyer.
You mean the 2009 Oscar award-winning actress, Kate Winslet, most popularly known for her role in the 1998 romance film Titanic, also starring Leonardo DiCaprio?
Nah, a distant cousin. This one was a renowned wooden wheel maker, best in the Tri-County area. Anyways, I brought in Mr. Winslet, her husband, for questioning. He's in the interrogation room.
Well, this case is as good as solved. Unlike my wife's. Husband says our best bet would be to interview her work rival, Fernando, second best wooden wheel maker in Minnesota. Claims that our victim received several emails from this person reading this. I hate you. I'm going to kill you. This is not a joke. I am going to murder you. This is not a drill. You are going to die. Thanks, Margaret. Sorry, wrong person. End. But seriously, I will murder you soon.
These emails raise a couple red flags. Why don't you go check it out?
Mrs. Fernando?
That's me, and you are?
Detective Maxwell, DPD, husband of a dead wife. I'm here to talk to you about Kate Winslet, your arch nemesis.
What about her?
She was found dead last night, and we believe that you might know something about it.
You think I killed her? That's ridiculous.
Doesn't sound so ridiculous in these emails.
And you think I killed her?
I wouldn't be here if I didn't.
Wow, you got me. Yeah, I killed her.
I guess you could say this case was a real quick solve. Suspect confessed to the murder. Trial will be sometime within the next 14 to 65 and a half years.
Good work, detective. But they found something else. While analyzing the victim's body, they found a note behind her ear. It said, RXD.
That's the same note.
That they found on your wife's body. Yes.